Are your carpets looking more like abstract art than a cozy living space? Fear not, fellow clean freaks. We're diving into the world of carpet cleaners, where dirt and stains meet their match. Whether you've got pet accidents, spilled wine, or the remnants of that late-night popcorn binge, we've got the scoop on the best carpet cleaners to restore your floors to their former glory. Get ready to reclaim your carpet and impress your guests with a spotless, fresh-smelling home. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. BISSELL Little Green, our pick for best budget carpet cleaner. Are you ready to tackle those pesky pet stains without breaking the bank? Meet the BISSELL Little Green, your new best buddy in the battle against messes. Weighing in at just 9.65 pounds, this pint-sized powerhouse makes carpet cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a mission to reclaim your carpet's glory. With its powerful suction, it's like having a mini vacuum superhero that swoops in to rescue your carpets, upholstery, and even your car's interiors from the clutches of dirt and stains. No more hiding from that red wine spill or that suspicious-looking pet accident. The Little Green's portable and versatile design means you can chase down messes anywhere, from your laundry room to your living room, and even in the backseat of your car. And with a hefty 48-ounce tank capacity, you spend less time refilling and more time embracing your inner cleaning ninja. But wait, there's more! The included spot and stain formula with Febreze freshness doesn't just tackle stains, it banishes odors too. So you're not just cleaning, you're freshening up your entire space one squirt at a time. Plus, every purchase helps save pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. Who knew cleaning could be this rewarding? Grab your BISSELL Little Green today and let's turn those messes into memories worth sharing. Number 4. Shark StainStriker, our pick for best portable carpet cleaner. Are you ready to tackle those pesky stains that seem to have a vendetta against your carpets? Meet the Shark StainStriker, the superhero your home didn't know it needed. Weighing in at just 8.51 pounds, this lightweight dynamo is your trusty sidekick in the battle against spaghetti spills, muddy paw prints, and whatever your kids can conjure up. This isn't just any carpet cleaner, it's a portable powerhouse. With its dual-activated formula, the StainStriker serves up a whopping 20 times the stain-fighting force. That means those stubborn odors, yes, even the ones that smell like pet regrets or last weekend's barbecue, don't stand a chance. Say goodbye to lingering scents and hello to fresh, clean spaces. Ultra-powerful suction? Absolutely! The StainStriker pulls out those embedded stains like a magician pulling rabbits from a hat, leaving your carpets looking like they just stepped out of the showroom. It's not just for carpets though. It's perfect for your beloved upholstery, area rugs, and even your car's interior, because your vehicle deserves a VIP clean too. So, whether you're in a battle against pet messes or everyday life's little accidents, the Shark StainStriker is here to save the day. Lightweight, compact, and ridiculously effective. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Still searching for the perfect carpet cleaner? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet, we've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Hoover Smartwash Plus, our pick for best carpet cleaner for hands-free cleaning. Are you ready to transform your carpet cleaning game? Meet the Hoover Smartwash Plus, the ultimate hands-free cleaning sidekick you didn't know you needed. With its mind-blowing automatic cleaning technology, this upright carpet cleaner takes the hassle out of keeping your home spotless. No more pressing buttons or pulling triggers, just a gentle push forward to clean and a pull back to dry. That's right, cleaning can finally be as easy as a lazy Sunday morning. The powerful extraction system whisks away dirt and grime like it's running from a pesky vacuum, while the heat force technology ensures your floors don't just look clean, but feel dry in no time. But don't let the Smartwash Plus's gentleness fool you. It's tough on those stubborn pet messes and ground-in dirt. Thanks to Flex Force power brushes, you can say goodbye to the stains and hello to fresh, vibrant carpets. And let's talk convenience. The Auto Mix feature precisely blends your cleaning solution so you don't have to second-guess your mixing skills, unless you've got a sideline in cocktail making. The package even includes a 2-in-1 pet tool, stair tool, an 8-foot hose, and an accessory storage bag, because what's better than being over-prepared? Get ready to embrace the joy of effortless cleaning and reclaim your weekends with the Hoover Smartwash Plus. Your carpets will thank you. Number 2. Shark Vertex Powered Lift-Away, our pick for best carpet cleaner for large areas. Are you tired of wrestling with your vacuum cleaner while juggling pet hair, crumbs, and dust bunnies? Meet the Shark Vertex Powered Lift-Away, your new cleaning superhero. With its ultra-powerful suction and high-tech cleaning wizardry, this isn't just any vacuum. It's your secret weapon against dirt and mess. Say goodbye to pesky hair tangles thanks to the self-cleaning brush roll. Yep, you heard that right. This genius invention picks up pet hair like it's on a mission, leaving you more time for cuddles and less time untangling bristles. Plus, the Duo Clean Power Fins are designed to make friends with all floor types. Whether you're tackling plush carpets or polished hardwood, they'll dig in and deliver a deep clean, maybe even better than your last deep conditioner. The Powered Lift-Away feature is pure magic. Detach the pod and clean under that sofa you forgot about, or give those stairs the royal treatment. And with the included pet power brush, cleaning up after your fur babies feels less like a chore and more like a triumph. Who knew cleaning could be this easy? You deserve a vacuum that works as hard as you do. So why not let the Shark Vertex lighten your load and elevate your cleaning routine? After all, a cleaner home means a happier you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, our pick for best carpet cleaner overall. Are you on the hunt for a carpet cleaner that truly gets the job done, especially with those pesky pet stains and odors? Look no further than the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, the carpet cleaner that's about to become not only your best friend, but your pet's worst enemy when it comes to messes. Weighing in at just 7.9 kilograms, this powerhouse of a machine is no lightweight when it comes to tackling the toughest stains. With a robust 6.8 amps of power, it's like having a mini cleaning army at your command, ready to fight dirt and odors at a moment's notice. Plus, that generous 35-foot power cord means you won't be doing the dreaded plug shuffle every 5 minutes. Equipped with turbo-strength motor technology, it delivers a cleaning experience that's both powerful and quiet, perfect for those late-night cleanup missions. Those 12 rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes are ready to dig deep, not just for surface stains, but for the embedded dirt that thinks it can stick around. And let's not forget the Express Clean mode. Say goodbye to soggy carpets. You'll have dry floors in about 30 minutes. Plus, every purchase helps save homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation. Now that's a cleaning win-win. Ready to make your carpets cleaner than ever? The Bissell Pro Heat is just a click away. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best carpet cleaners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which carpet cleaner you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.